Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll guide you on how to add a YouTube gallery to your website. It's a quick process and you don't need any specific skills. To begin, visit elfsite.com and select the YouTube gallery widget from the menu. Click on Create Widget and you can find the direct link in the video description. Now, let's create your widget. Start by choosing a template that best fits your needs. Then, click Continue with this template to display YouTube videos on your website. Add a supported source on the Source tab. Next, go to the Layout tab to customize your YouTube gallery. Once done, your widget is ready. You can also adjust layout, size, colors, and fonts in the Settings tabs. Click Join to install to add the widget to your website. You have to log in or sign up to Elfsite apps. After signing up, you'll see the widget you created. Click Save after reviewing it. Now, choose your subscription plan. You can start with Lite, but remember, your 20% discount is valid for only 24 hours. Click on the code to copy it and go to your website's admin panel, which is WordPress. You can display the widget on any page. For example, let's do it on this one. After logging in, go to Pages and select the page you want to add the YouTube gallery to. Add a custom HTML block to the desired part of the page. Pass your widget's code and click Update. Visit the page to check your widget, and it's that easy. You can also explore other exciting widgets for free by clicking in the link of the description. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.